And today we're out on a brisk end of April morning. It's about 45 degrees. And today is Worldwide Pinhole Photography Day. And so we're out here using some of my pinhole cameras. We have a lensless 75 millimeter and we have a lensless 150 millimeter we'll be using. So as you can see probably in the background, we're here at the local falls in my hometown, and that's what we'll be shooting for World Photography Pinhole Day. So let's get to it. So we're setting up the 75 millimeter lensless first, and I haven't been shooting pinhole all that long, so I am especially for this shot here, I don't know as far as the height and the depth of how this is going to come out, but that's what it's all about, is trying to learn. And this is a 4x5 camera, so you can see how we're putting in the so we got the film all in. And I'll be opening up the app that I'm going to be using. I'm using Pinhole Assist. I just added that app, so I'm still kind of learning it. I'm going to put in the camera that I am using. So this will do all the figuring for reciprocity and everything for me. So here is lensless 75 millimeter 3-inch wide angle. That's what I have. I am using Arista EDU 100 sheet film, and that's all we do. It is saying we need 36 minutes. So we're not going to just sit here for the 36 minutes, so I'll be back later on after the picture's done.
Okay, we're winding down some time on this shot. The one thing is, I do not like this shot at all. That's one thing about having plenty of time to look over things, and I do not like it. And where we can shoot today and not be able to really get down into the creek, I don't know what we're going to be able to do. I'm going to try to change it up. It's the best to be down in the creek shooting but that's not going to happen today. Very cold. So we're winding down this shot. I'm going to set up a couple more. I'm actually going to set up the other camera at the same time. So we've got a couple seconds left here. So we're going to actually put one down here in the corner and try to get more of the rock formation and not the falls. And we're going to move this camera back and see if we can get a little bit more of the falls. I think I took out the top of the falls and this is good.
I think I worried about the lighting a little bit too much. Picture turned out pretty decent, if I have to say so. Lighting could have been better. I'm still kind of learning this app, see how it works, and I set it for, I believe, 5 minutes and a few seconds, and we're down to about 2 minutes, so it's going to be a rough go at it, I believe. So anyway, I'm going to finish up this shot, and we will be packing up and heading out, since I don't like the light right now. So I will probably add on to this later on and then we'll compare the morning to the evening, because it's still like 9:30, but the sun is really, it's been cloudy. I thought it was going to be cloudy today, and it worked out great, but it's not. So we will call it quits for today. I will bundle this up. I will pack up the stairs, and we'll be done. So I'm glad you're with me, and I'll see you after a while later this evening. The second shot, lighting still could have been better, but still turned out pretty nice. I'm very satisfied with the pictures so far. Okay, as you can probably hear in the background, we're back out here at the falls. See if I can't salvage some kind of a nice picture for Pinhole Day, Worldwide Pinhole Day. So I have got the camera set up. Hope you can see that. And that's where we've got it. And of course, that's what we're trying to shoot. And now I'm worried about losing light, so I'm going to have to check the exposure setting here before it ends to see if I have to extend it. So today wasn't a very good day for me as far as weather-wise with the sun and everything. But hopefully we'll get a pretty decent picture. I'm not real sure how it's going to come out. But I've got several. Hopefully one of them comes out to make a nice World Pinhole Day picture. So anyway, we're giving it a shot. And so that's all I can do. But I am using the 75mm wide angle pinhole camera. And so we will see what happens. Like I say, it wasn't a great day for photography. Probably could have started out about 6:30 maybe and done a little bit better, but problem is I have to get dogs up in the morning out and do their business, so it's hard to get going that early. So anyway, I'll get back to you here in a few minutes when we're running at about 1 hour and 5 seconds, I believe, for this shot. I think it's going to have to be extended a little bit more, but we'll see. I'll get back with you here in a few minutes. Okay, it's winding down to seconds here. I'm not going to be in a too big a hurry because I'm sure I'm going to have to extend it a few minutes, but so I'm not going to be in a big hurry. But I will check it here right about now and see what we got. Okay, I think we can go ahead and stop it. It didn't lose too much. This picture was taken with the 150mm pinhole camera, and I'm very happy with this shot that we took in the evening, towards the evening. And this is the one I'm going to use for World Pinhole Day. We'll go over a little review here while we got the camera. Okay, what we've got here is a lensless 4x5 pinhole camera. The shutter is here. It's a 4x5. It's real simple how it's held in. Just take these rollers and you slide it out. To put it in, took the smaller roller, holds the bottom in, take the top roller, force it down a little bit, and holds it nice and snug. Then you just do your slides like usual. I try to hold it a little bit when I'm pulling it out. It's got tripod, 1/4 inch here, 1/4 inch here, so you can get portrait and landscape. It's a real simple camera. This one's made in the United States. They run about $70. That's almost including tax. So it's 60 something plus tax. But real nice simple camera. But most pinholes are pretty simple. So anyway, this is going to wind up my broken up 2-part World Pinhole Day trying to get a photograph. But so anyway, I'm done for the day. It's about 7:30, so I'll be heading home. I'm only about 2 minutes from here. Hey, if you could hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, it helps get the videos out. I will do some more pinhole photography, and also I'm going to be doing some other cameras. I got some new 35 millimeters I'm going to do, and I got some box cameras that I enjoy that I'm going to do. So anyway, don't forget, subscribe. See you next time. Hey, happy Worldwide Pinhole Photography Day. Take care. Happy shooting.